Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. In today's video, I'm just going to take you along with me. It's Father's Day. I haven't done a lot today. However, your girl did cook and y'all know I am a mad scientist in the kitchen with several exclamation marks behind that. If you are new here, my name is Kim with a Y, K-Y-M, K to the Y to the M, and I do videos pertaining to home life, cooking, cleaning, doing DIYs, repairs, projects. I totally lost my train of thought. But anyway, if that sounds like something that you're interested in, please do not forget to hit subscribe on your way out, show that like button some love, and also leave me a comment down below. To be honest with you, in this video, I was not feeling good and I'm still not 100%. I have a severe inner ear canal ear infection. They gave me some eardrops at urgent care and I really don't think they're working very well. One minute I feel okay, the next minute I have a fever. The minute after that, my whole body just starts aching really bad. So in light of all that, this video is going to be really short, really sweet, and straightforward and to the point. But can I get an A+ in the comments for showing up? I showed up, y'all. Even though I'm not feeling good, I showed up. And I hope that I'm going to make you laugh too, because your girl is funny. Before I cook, I always like to clean my kitchen. There wasn't really much to clean because I like to keep a clean house because I have anxiety. And the way that my anxiety works is the moment I feel anxious, I clean. And I feel anxious probably 5 out of 7 days. You feel me? So I'm always cleaning my home. Don't judge me because I don't judge you for having a dirty house. So let me just give you a rundown of how I plan to do the next few videos. So even though I'm on the sick and shut-in list, listen, I'm trying to go out of town this weekend with my family. We're going to Chi-Town stand up. We're going to Chicago. And even if I don't feel well, I'm going, okay? But anyway, so I'm going to do like a travel sort of type of video, although I'm going to live in the moment because my family will talk mad smack if I film the entire time I'm in Chicago. But about 2 videos ago, I started a series called Cleaning Forgotten Areas. So I am going to continue with that. And let me tell you something. Prepare yourself to see some toilet cleaning. Wait, how do you spell toilet? T-O-I-L-E-T? I know how to spell. Quit playing with me. But some people don't know how to clean toilets. And I have gotten a lot of DMs in Instagram asking me how to properly clean a toilet. So I'm going to deliver for you. I'm going to give you all the goods. I'm going to give you everything it is that I have within me. Okay? I have this cool steamer that I ordered a couple months ago and I talked about it for like the last year, like, oh, I want to get this steamer because I want to really deep clean the toilet and I still have not opened it. So I'm going to open that with y'all and clean a toilet. Now, if you don't like toilet cleaning videos, I don't know what to tell you. Just come along for the ride and the good music. I really want to do some stuff outdoors, but let me tell you a little secret. Well, it's not really a secret because I already showed y'all. They are building new condos in my development. They're building some directly in front of us, on the side of us, and also behind us. There's dirt everywhere. My car is white, but it looks like it's tan. And I'm okay with that because I'm like, if I'm going to wash it, it's just going to get dirty again. But for real though, it does look tan. I might do a few things outside, but not much. We did plan on getting a fence for our patio. However, that has been put to a halt because now my husband wants to sell the condo. One of my really good friends out here sold her condo and she made a lot of money. And then there's another lady that's a good friend of mine in my development and her condo is for sale right now. The first lady I just told you guys about, her condo didn't even hit the market. It was the day before they were putting a for sale sign in the yard and it sold. Cash offer. We have done so many updates in this home. I showed you guys a long time ago. I'll have to show you again what it looked like when we first moved in here versus what it looks like now. When I tell you I am a proud homeowner and it looks 195%, no, 200% better, it really does. So that's what you should expect. Also, check out all my shorts videos because I have been making a lot of shorts videos because it's time to be outdoors. It rained in Ohio for like 4 months. And your girl been out there walking. However, I have not been walking the last 4 days because the last time I went on a walk, which is in this video, I almost passed out because I didn't know I had an ear infection at that time. I also almost passed out in the shower and nobody was home. As a matter of fact, my husband was out of town and my daughters were gone for 7 hours. Could you imagine water running on me for 7 hours? I would have turned into a fruit wrinkle. Do any of y'all know what a fruit wrinkle is? If you're my age, you do. Okay, did you laugh? I know you did. Don't be trying to front. I know you laughed, but guess what? My ear hurts. So let's listen to some music for a minute. word to the wise, make sure that you always rinse your dishes off really, really good before you put them in the dishwasher, because when you don't, the dishes all around it will not be clean. So I have to like really I'm just gonna do these dishes. I'm not even gonna put them back in the dishwasher. To be honest, these 2 dishes shouldn't have even been in the dishwasher, because if you want to conserve your pots and pans, don't put them in the dishwasher. The other thing is our dishwasher is from 1952. Okay, we need a new one. We haven't gotten a new one because we're really thinking about selling our home, and our condo is worth so much money now. And just like that, the dishes are done. Now I'm gonna start my greens. I have some smoked turkey. Do you know this song? Let me take you in the living room. Woo. Worship is a part of my life. You'll have to let me know if you like to listen to worship music. Don't forget that scripture about worshiping. The hour cometh and now is, where the true worshiper shall worship the Father in spirit and in truth, for the Father seeketh such to worship him. Let me show you what I'm going to season my water with. Season your water with whatever you want. Onion powder, chicken bouillon, and then the red pepper flakes. And then I will also season the greens once I put them in there. Listen, I ain't no preacher. I ain't trying to preach to you, but I'm gonna tell you one thing. When I could not walk and I prayed and God told me that he will never leave me or forsake me, I knew I wasn't gonna die, and I knew that there was a God, even though I knew before. But anyway, just if you want to get close to God, know the word for yourself. Don't listen to what people say. Pull up the Bible on your app. Pull out your Bible, read it for yourself, and know that it's the living word, okay?
Stomach, butterflies in my chest, heartbeat like a bird that's humming. Trust your words cause you know me best. Let's take a walk down a brick road, click your heels and you'll be there. I want you, do you want me to? Once you hear the rhythm playing, promise you won't be complaining. I'll be here for it if it's for you. Once my body gets to swaying, promise you won't be complaining. And I'll be saying, yeah. Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Yeah. Beautiful girls are coming, funny girls are real sweet. I don't say these words often, loving you has left me weak.
To the love of my life, we're about to take a walk. It's interesting because they tore down the playground that used to be there, and they're doing a whole bunch of revamping, so I'm anxious to see what it's going to look like. But there's a nice track that we can walk around. Over here, actually it was rained out, so we just walked around the perimeter, and I did a shorts video, so go check it out on my YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram.
And I'll be saying, yeah, yeah. Can I dance for you?
Okay, we are back from our walk. The meat is going, and I'm about to put the greens in now.
Would that be cool? Oh, every heart in the world.
So the other thing that I'm making is steak, and these have been marinating in beer for probably about 3 hours, and I just keep turning them like every half an hour or so just to make sure everything, you know, is marinated appropriately. Sorry if you are not a meat eater, but we eat meat here, so yeah. These are done. I always boil these with a chicken bouillon cube. You'll have to let me know how you boil yours.
Cool.
For some reason, I repeated myself twice. So just stare at the potatoes for a second, okay? It's okay. Everything's okay. Just stare at them. Don't look at that. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Clearly, I have a problem with York peppermint patties. This is what I'm using for my mashed potatoes. Use whatever you want to use. Not sure what I was thinking. It was actually garlic powder that I used, not the onion powder. Okay. So, put that away. And I also have some sour cream that I need to get out. So when I do make mashed potatoes, I make it with cold butter. So I have a butter dish there, but I just got that out of the refrigerator. Thank you so much for being here. I know today's video was a little different, but it's okay because your girl showed up, okay? And also, you learned something today, step by step on how to cook, right? When I was younger, it used to be a flex to know how to cook and clean. And now so many people talk about they don't cook and they don't clean. And I'm like, oh, okay. But hey, I come from the era of we listen and we don't judge. Yeah, there's a lot of fat on this steak, but I'm going to take it off because I'm not eating that. Thank you again for being here, and I hope you have a great day.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break, boy, you're my weakness.